Welcome to Oconee Fall Line Technical College. We're excited about your interest in joining the OFTC family and look forward to helping you complete the application process. Thank you for joining us for our virtual open house and free application period for the 2020 summer semester. Please follow us on social media and stay connected to all of the new and exciting things that are happening at OFTC. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. OFTC is a unit of the Technical College System of Georgia. Our president is Ms. Erica G. Harden. OFTC has two main campuses, one in Dublin and one in Sandersville. We have additional locations in Louisville, McRae-Helena, plus a transportation center in Sandersville. Our tuition is very affordable at $100 per credit hour, and there are no additional fees for online learning. Students also have access to free tutoring and study guides through OFTC's Tutoring Center, both online and in person when available. OFTC offers more than 140 programs of study in 3 different levels of credentialing: associate degrees, diplomas, and technical certificates of credit. The college's programs are divided into 3 divisions: Allied Health, Business and Professional Services, and Trades, Industrial, and Transportation. Within these divisions, there are 29 areas of study with a wide range of program choices and industries. In response to a growing demand for business professionals, OFTC's Division of Business and Professional Services prepares students for rewarding positions in business-related fields that include accounting, business technology, cybersecurity, computer support, management, and network specialist. Professional services fields include areas like early childhood care and education, cosmetology, and criminal justice. Rapid advancements in the industrial and transportation technologies area make the need for current education and training essential to meet the ever-increasing demand for qualified technicians. The Division of Trades, Industrial, and Transportation Technologies offers associate degrees, diplomas, and technical certificates of credit in a variety of in-demand fields such as air conditioning technology, automotive technology, commercial truck driving, diesel equipment technology, electrical controls and electronics technologies, industrial systems maintenance, machine tool technology, mechatronics, welding and joining technology, and many more. OFTC is committed to meeting the needs for well-trained healthcare professionals by creating opportunities through technical education. We offer associate degree, diploma, and technical certificate of credit programs and training opportunities for individuals desiring to enter a career in the health industry. Allied health programs prepare students in health-related fields including medical assisting, nursing, pharmacy technology, radiologic technology, diagnostic medical sonography, and respiratory care. In addition, OFTC's Emergency Medical Services programs prepare students for the exciting and rewarding life of a first responder. If you're ready to rise to the challenge, you'll need the best education and training possible. And with all our core classes, OFTC provides quality instruction to facilitate student success in both academic and professional skills through general education subjects and the Interdisciplinary Studies Associate Degree Program and the Early College Essentials Technical Certificate of Credit Program. When students graduate from a certificate, diploma, or associate degree program, they will demonstrate competencies in the following areas: computer skills, reading, analytical and interpretation skills, mathematical reasoning skills, and standard written English usage skills. OFTC offers a number of student support services. We are not just interested in your academic success, we want you to live a successful life and have provided several wraparound services that are dedicated to doing just that. The Student Navigator team helps prepare students for success in academic, personal, and professional settings. They are dedicated to helping students succeed inside and outside of the classroom. Our Career Services Center assists students with career coaching and advisement, resume development and review, and interview skills workshops. For students enrolled in eligible programs, disability services are available to help students with disabilities to reach their academic and career goals. We also have a dedicated Veterans Affairs office at the college. This office assists our veterans through the enrollment, registration, financial aid, and graduation processes. OFTC participates in several federal and state aid programs that are here to help you fund your education. The federal aid programs are Pell Grants, Supplemental Educational Opportunity Grants, and the Federal Work-Study Program. State aid programs include Hope Grant and Hope Scholarship, Zell Miller Grant and Zell Miller Scholarship, and the Hope Career Grant. Now that you know a little about all of the financial aid we offer at OFTC, it's time to learn more about the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. Every fall semester is the beginning of a new FAFSA year, so be sure that you always have an updated FAFSA application on file while you are in school. For information on how to apply for FAFSA, visit www.oftc.edu/FAFSA. OFTC offers a variety of other grants and scholarships. The Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, or WIOA, is available for students seeking occupational skills to advance their employment. WIOA provides additional funding to economically disadvantaged students, at-risk youth, and dislocated workers. These funds can be used for books, tools, uniforms, childcare, and transportation. Applying online to OFTC is very easy. For those applying for summer 2020, we have some exciting news. The application fee and assessment placement test requirement have been waived. First, you must complete an online application for admissions. Next, submit assessment scores, if you have them, as part of the online admissions process. For summer 2020, OFTC is not requiring that you submit these scores. The last document we will collect will be your proof of citizenship, a photo of your state-issued ID or passport, which can be uploaded as part of the online admissions process. Thank you for viewing this presentation. We hope that it was informational and that you will soon become a member of the OFTC family. If you have additional questions about admissions, you can email us at admissions@oftc.edu. If you have additional questions about financial aid, you can email us at financialaid@oftc.edu. Oconee Fall Line Technical College. Think differently about college.